Need to replace the battery in your 2021 Toyota 4Runner key fob? It's a simple DIY task. Your key fob likely uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These typically last 1 to 2 years. Your key fob likely uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These typically last 1 to 2 years. To get started, locate the seam on your key fob. This is usually between the buttons and the metal key. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Be careful to avoid scratches by using a plastic prying tool if you have one. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. Typically, the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Align the case pieces and snap them back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working. If it doesn't work, the key fob might require reprogramming at a dealership. Always recycle your old batteries responsibly. If you are still having issues, please refer to your local dealership.